Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) has urged the governor to set up COVID care center and implement a state policy for children as a precautionary measure of the recent outbreak of COVID pandemic in the state. A delegation of MCPCR led by its chairperson Kesham Pradeep Kumar, Anita Chamubam and Sumil Yumnam called on Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at Raj Bhavan today and urged the governor to approve and enact the Manipur State Policy for Children 2025 through the Governor in Council to make Manipur the first state in the entire northeastern region to have its own state policy for children. The delegation also sought immediate attention of the Governor to set up some separate pediatric COVID care centers to treat COVID-infected children in view of the resurgence of new COVID-positive cases in the state. MCPCR also raised concerns about the overcrowded relief camps housing internally displaced persons, where maintaining social distancing remains difficult. The delegation urged improvements in infrastructure and accommodation in both valley and hill districts. The delegation further appealed for a comprehensive, peaceful resolution to the ongoing conflict, expressing a deep concern over the impact of the unrest on children from the Meitei and Kuki communities. The MCPCR appealed for a comprehensive, peaceful resolution to the crisis.